All right, let's go over problem number 15, which was the lowest one on the assignment from yesterday. So in this problem, the given angle is 61 degrees. And the first thing we can do is figure out that angle 6 is vertical to that 61 degrees. So we know that angle 6 then is also 61 degrees. And we also know that angle 7 and the given angle are supplementary. And 61 degrees, the given angle, and angle 5 are also supplementary. So we need to figure out the supplementary measure. 180 minus 61 would be 119 degrees. So number 7 is 119 degrees, and number 5 is also 119 degrees. Now, I can use these corresponding angles to figure out what angle 1 is. So angle 1 corresponds to angle 61, so that one is 61 degrees. And angle 3 corresponds to 6, so that one is also 61. And then angle 2 corresponds to 5, so that's 119, and angle 4 corresponds to 7, which is also 119. Now, the problems came near the end. That's what I think. Where you had to say how you figured out the angles. And you had to move blocks up into, and I'll show you, you had to move, do drag and drop into these. So the first one I would have started with was angle 5 and angle 7. We just said those two were supplementary. So we knew these were supplementary. And angle 6, let's go back to the figure. Angle 6 was vertical to the given angle. So angle 6 is vertical to the given angle. Let me move back up. So angle 6 is vertical. And let me see. We have angle 1. We have angle 1. Angle 1 corresponds to, let's go back up. Angle 1 corresponds to the given angle. The given angle of 61 corresponds to the given. Angle 2, sorry, I have to keep going up and down. Angle 2 corresponds to angle 5. So angle 2 corresponds to angle 5. Angle 3, let's go back up. Angle 3 right here corresponds to angle 6. So angle 3 corresponds to angle 6. And angle 4 is under there. Angle 4 corresponds to angle 7. And I think now we have them all filled in. So you have a few more problems like this today. I would start here with something like this. Angle 5 and angle 7. You knew there was supplementary, so then you could get those two in. And then you could get the one that is vertical to the angle that is given. Okay? And then the others you have to narrow down. Whatever's left, you'll have to narrow down with the words corresponding. So let's see how we do today.